Now, news coming in from the state of Karnataka. BJP MP's brother has been arrested for allegedly cutting down trees worth crores of rupees. This arrest, in fact, has been made by the Organised Crime Squad of Bengaluru City's crime branch. The custody of the MP's brother, Pratap Simha, is now being transferred to the state's forest department. Vikram Simha, who's the brother of BJP MP, has now been arrested for allegedly cutting down trees worth of crores. Let's listen in to Karnataka Foreign Minister on this issue.
ಜಮೀನಲ್ಲಿ 126 ಮರಗಳು ಅಕ್ರಮವಾಗಿ ಕಡಿದು ಕಳ್ಳ ಸಾಗಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂತ ದೂರುಗಳ ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ ತನಿಖೆ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಆಯಿತು. ಈ ತನಿಖೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಈ ಜಮೀನನ್ನು ಕರಾರು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಶುಂಠಿ ಬೆಳಿತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರ ಜನರಿಂದ ಮರ ಕಡಿಸಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಮರಗಳತನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು ಒಂದು ಕೇಸನ್ನು ಖಟ್ಲೆ ದರ್ಜು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದರ ಅಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ತನಿಖೆ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಈ ತನಿಖೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಬಂಧನ ಕಾರ್ಯ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಕಾನೂನು ರೀತಿಯ ಕ್ರಮ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಈ ಪ್ರಕರಣ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಗಂಭೀರತೆಯಿಂದ ಪರಿಗಣನೆ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ನಾನು ಮಂತ್ರಿ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳ ನಿರ್ದೇಶನದ ಮೇರೆಗೆ.
My colleague Anaga is now joining me on the story. Anaga, cutting down trees worth crores of rupees is something which is extremely shocking.
Well, that's right, Aishwarya. And we're also being told by the forest minister that Vikram Simha used to smuggle those wooden trees worth thousands of crores of rupees. Forest Minister Ishwar Khandre has stated that no matter who is in power, nobody will be spared if they are found guilty. He also stated that under the garb of growing ginger on a Gomala land, that is a pasture land, Vikram Simha went ahead and used his men to chop over 126 trees and used it for this. However, he has been arrested now by the Bengaluru police. For the last few weeks, he had been absconding, is what we are hearing from the forest minister. He was absconding, but later, with the help of a tip from some of the localites, the Hassan police informed the Bengaluru police, and they came and have arrested Vikram Simha. He is now under the custody of the forest department.
Thank you, Anaga, for giving us details on this story.